What's the first step after buying a property that's going to need some renovation? First step happens long before you even own it. If you're waiting until after the sale is actually completed before you start planning, you are already going to be behind. The real first step is getting crystal clear on your renovation strategy before you even exchange contracts. That means knowing what you want to do with the property, talking to maybe an architect or structural engineer early, checking for any planning constraints, and lining up your budget, timeline, and your team. Because once the keys are in your hand, you want action, not delays. And I'll be honest, as a property investor, I have actually delayed completing on the deal just so that I can finish planning everything and make sure everything is in place. That way, the day I pick up the keys, the team are ready to get started straight away. No wasted weeks, no empty property, just sat there with me paying the bills. No dead time costing money. So remember, plan before you actually buy. Your future self will most definitely thank you. And if you need help planning an upcoming renovation, then visit renovationinsights.co.uk and send me a message via the Contact Us form. I'll be more than happy to help you get started the right way.